Good morning, beautiful people. Today I'm painting, and in this video you may learn a little bit about my painting process. Join me. My immediate inclination on any painting is to drop in a lot of bold color. Right now I'm fleshing out this painting, trying to find the right placement for the flowers, the right shapes, sizes, colors, and even though it's a bit bright, I can always mute it and soften it with white paint. This is what I'm talking about. I had painted that back wall with the very bright teal stripes, and now I want to turn it into a very pale blue, so I am covering all the bright stripes with a lot of white paint, trying to soften them. So that's how I normally start my paintings. I'll go in bold, then I'll go ahead and lighten it up, make it a little bit more delicate, and then drop in detail. And that's what we'll do next. Okay, what you're seeing now are my different versions of the painting. I do really love this pale look, and it could have been finished here. I went ahead and started adding in more bold color, and I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I ended up with the finished product, or almost the finished product, the one on the right. And so now I will show you how I finish that painting off. What I'm doing here is I'm weathering the corners, trying to make the painting look a little dated. I love it when somebody looks at a piece of art that I've done and they wonder, wow, is this a recent painting or is this a collector's piece from long ago? Anyway, just dropping in more detail here and there. This painting is so close to being finished. What I'm doing now is adding in branches and twigs and leaves to fill it out. This painting feels finished to me, so now I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up look to see some of the detail work. Okay, this painting's a wrap. I think it's finished. And now that it's finished, it's going to be available for sale. I'll post a link to my Etsy shop down in the description below, just in case any of you are interested in this piece of art. Dancing on Riptides, my third book, is now finally out. You can find it right now on Amazon. Feel free to click through to the Amazon Kindle link and add a little more passion to your life. As always, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you all have a good day.